Meaning of extend.
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 Extend. The word extend means to make something longer or larger, either in physical size or in duration. It can be used to refer to extending a deadline, extending an arm or leg, or even extending an invitation. The result of extending something is that it will become larger or longer than it originally was. For example, if you extend your arm, it will reach farther than before. If you extend a deadline, it will allow more time for a task to be completed. Ultimately, the act of extending implies a desire to increase or expand something beyond its current boundaries.